Your truck bed sits exposed right now. Rain's getting in, UV's fading your paint, and anyone with a crowbar knows what's under there. Most truck owners ignore this until they get hit with weather damage, or worse, theft. That's not happening to you. We're covering the 5 tonneau covers that actually work, the ones you're buying in 2025, and why they're worth your money. Whether you've got $200 or $1,500 to spend, there's a perfect fit here for your situation. Let's get into it. Number 1, Revolver X4's hard rolling tonneau cover. This is the cover everyone wants, but most people think costs too much. The price tag sits at $13.99 to $15.50. Yeah, that's real money. But understand what you're actually getting here. This is America's #1 selling hard rolling cover, and that reputation, it's earned. Heavy-duty aluminum with industrial-grade vinyl wrapping means this thing is a fortress. A real fortress. The patented rotational locking rails are built differently than your competitors. We're talking about a locking system that runs the entire length of your bed on both sides. Someone tries to cut through this, pry it, or force it open, they're giving up. That's real security. That's what you're paying for. But if you use your truck bed constantly, if you value security, and if you want one cover that lasts through multiple vehicle purchases, the math works. It works because you're done. You're not shopping again in 5 years. What truck owners keep talking about in forums is the longevity. Same cover through 2, sometimes 3 truck purchases. The security aspect means peace of mind in sketchy parking situations. That patented design has competitors copying it for years without success. This isn't a purchase about price. It's about being done shopping. Buy it once, use it for a decade. The description box has your link to check fitment for your exact truck bed size. Number 2 is the Tyger Auto T1 soft roll-up tonneau cover. Price, $189 to $219. For that money, the engineering that went into this cover is honestly surprising, genuinely surprising. U.S. patented design with dual-coated 24-ounce marine-grade vinyl. That's the same quality material used in commercial applications. Think about that. Your truck bed gets commercial-grade protection. Installation is no drill, clamps directly to your bed rails. Most people finish in under an hour. The quick-release system uses Velcro strip fastening combined with a latch lock. Opening and closing is smooth and fast. Aircraft-grade aluminum rails with stainless steel clamps resist corrosion and look solid after years of use. Here's the realistic consideration. Soft covers require maintenance. You'll check tension occasionally, keep the vinyl clean. That's not complicated, but it's part of ownership. If you want to install something and forget about it for 5 years without touching it, a hard tonneau is your lane. That's just honest. What's genuinely interesting is the fuel efficiency angle. Users report up to 13% improvement in gas mileage because you're reducing aerodynamic drag. That adds up. We're talking real savings over time, real money in your pocket. This cover punches way above its weight in terms of materials and engineering. Real owners keep buying it because the value is real here. Check the link in the description for current pricing and your bed size. Number 3 finds the BAKFlip G2 hard folding tonneau cover. The BAKFlip G2 runs $600 to $800, and this is where you get into genuinely solid engineering without the truck payment price. Solid core aluminum panels that mount flush with your bed rail. When closed, this looks factory installed. That's premium appearance immediately. Your friends won't even realize it's aftermarket. The fold design is clever. You get 100% bed access, drive it with it fully closed, partially folded, or completely flipped up without ever covering your third brake light. That flexibility changes how you actually use your truck bed. Now, here's the thing. At $600 to $800, some people look at that range and decide to drop down to cheaper options instead. It's not a problem with the cover, it's just budget reality for lots of folks. What you're paying for is made in the USA quality with actual responsive customer support behind it. Real-world installation from 4Motors usually takes a couple hours DIY, and people consistently report near-perfect fit out of the box. 2-year hassle-free warranty covers everything. If you want premium experience without going all in on the top-tier cover, this is the one. Links for your truck bed size and current pricing are in the description box. Number 4 is the OEDRO's soft quad-fold tonneau cover. The quad-fold design uses only a quarter of your bed when folded. Compare that to tri-fold covers taking up a third.
That's meaningful. If you're constantly hauling, that space adds up. The built-in horizontal crossbars support when the cover's open, so no droopy fabric situation, no sagging look. The double-layer PVC construction handles UV exposure. Tested. Proven. We're talking industrial-grade material here. Installation needs minimal tools. Most trucks, zero drilling. Even with rail caps or over-the-bed liners, you're looking at a couple small holes maximum. Pre-assembled components mean less assembly headache. Powder-coated aluminum rails and professional styling keeps cargo out of sight. Now, the realistic consideration. At this price point, you're not getting the rigidity or premium feel of hard tonneau covers. The soft design means water can pool if you don't maintain proper tension. For some people, that's a deal breaker. For others, it's just part of owning a tonneau cover. Not a problem. People purchase this repeatedly because the engineering at the price point is genuinely good. It's genuinely good. If you want maximum value and don't mind a soft design, this delivers practical solution without budget destruction. Link in the description for current pricing and fitment options. Finishing at number 5 is the Gator ETX soft roll-up tonneau cover. Price, $229 to $289. This is honest performance without the premium price tag. Marine-grade vinyl soft roll-up that feels way more expensive than the sticker price suggests. The ultra-low profile design at 0.75 inches compared to typical 1.5 inches means better aerodynamics and better looks. It just looks sleeker on your truck. Your truck looks better. Inboard mounted rails let you use full bed width without losing capacity when rolled up. That's smart design. Installation is straightforward, about 30 minutes with the clamp-on system, zero drilling required. The trigger latch system rolls open in seconds when you need full access. Heavy-duty securing straps means you can transport oversized cargo with the cover partially open. What truck owners keep mentioning in forums is the tension control system preventing sagging. The cover maintains clean appearance after months of use. The 30-day satisfaction guarantee plus 2-year coverage gives you protection. Real users are getting 4+ years of reliable service. Contractors especially love them because full bed capacity when rolled up matters for their work. People buy this cover because it delivers value. You're getting materials and performance that cost significantly more on other brands. For the person wanting proven reliability without budget stress, the Gator SRX consistently shows up in shopping carts. Everything's linked in the description box, quick and easy. Before you make your final decision, double-check the fitment for your specific truck model and bed size. All the links are down below with current pricing and availability. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.